Hi, Ken with Steam Bright again. We're on the second part of the introduction of our Volcano 5600. What we did was we turned the water flow off, simulating setting the wand down while the heater was on, and just wanted to verify that all 6 thermostats would, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all 12 thermostats were working. As they shut the rods off, the heating rods off, these lights click off. So it's still plugged in and turned on. It reached a temperature to when it realized it wasn't being used, the water wasn't flowing through it anymore, it reached a temperature that it turned itself off. Now we're going to open the flow a little bit, and these should cycle back on, and while that's happening we'll get an idea how hot it got in there before it shut off. So
why don't you open it up all the way?
well, because the temperature won't respond fast enough. I want to see how hot that water is. Yeah. And these do not click on, back on, or off all at the same time. They're all set a little differently. So, and the response time is based on the temperature of the outer housing, which there's a little inaccuracy built into the design of it. So they do come on usually one at a time. But yeah, they're at 250. Okay, now we have one element came back on as cold water is being introduced, 2, and that would be in this heater, which is the first heater the cold water goes into. So this one you expect to be the 2 elements that came back on first. And the other 2 chambers, all 4 of these elements are being introduced with the same temperature water because they're plumbed in parallel. It's a tandem setup.
Also, the way you notice when the water comes out here, it's introduced on the cold side of the heater.
Sure, too.
And so that the thermostats would respond
stay on it
faster.
Longer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Turn that up a little bit.
Let's go take a peek outside.
Yeah, that should be almost live steam.
It is live steam coming out.
Yeah.
It's like no water at all hitting the pavement anymore.
60 degrees a minute ago.
It's like 230.
Okay, let's see. These chambers hold quite a bit of water. I don't remember the exact
looks like at least a quart.
Each one of these holds as much as 2 of the, as much as 4 of the single chamber casings or housings. Okay, now that's this one. The 2 in this one just came back on, and these were the first 2 to shut off, so they'll be the last 2 to come back on, and that's the 2 in that middle chamber. But
take a look at this.
and now we got one, and real soon the other one will pop back on that last chamber. Yeah, and we never got down to 200 degrees at that flow rate. So that's it. This is Ken with Steam Bright. Thanks for watching.